Havana is the capital and largest city of Cuba, the heart of the La Habana province. Havana is the country's main port and leading commercial center. The city has a population of 2.1 million inhabitants, and it spans a total of 781.58 square kilometers, making it the largest city by area, the most populous city, and the fourth largest metropolitan area in the Caribbean region. The city of Havana was founded by the Spanish in the 16th century, and due to its strategic location, it served as a springboard for the Spanish conquest of the Americas, becoming a stopping point for Spanish galleons returning to Spain. Philip II of Spain granted Havana the title of capital in 1592. Walls as well as forts were built to protect the old city. The sinking of the U.S. battleship Maine in Havana's harbor in 1898 was the immediate cause of the Spanish-American War. The city is the center of the Cuban government, and home to various ministries, headquarters of businesses and over 100 diplomatic offices. The governor is Reynaldo Garcia Zapata of the Communist Party of Cuba. In 2009, the city-province had the third highest income in the country. Contemporary Havana can essentially be described as three cities in one: Old Havana, Vedado, and the newer suburban districts. The city extends mostly westward and southward from the bay, which is entered through a narrow inlet and which divides into three main harbors: Mari Melina, Guanabacoa, and Antares. The sluggish Almendares River traverses the city from south to north, entering the Straits of Florida a few miles west of the bay. The city attracts over 1 million tourists annually. The official census for Havana reports that in 2010 the city was visited by 1,176,627 international tourists, a 20% increase from 2005. Old Havana was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1982. The city is also noted for its history, culture, architecture, and monuments. As typical of Cuba, Havana experiences a tropical climate. Havana comes from Habaguanex, the name of a local Taino chief. Conquistador Diego Velázquez de Cuellar founded Havana on August 25, 1515, on the southern coast of the island, near the present town of Surgidero de Batabano, or more likely on the banks of the Mayabeque River close to Playa Mayabeque. All attempts to found a city on Cuba's south coast failed. However, an early map of Cuba drawn in 1514 places the town at the mouth of this river. Between 1514 and 1519 the Spanish established at least 2 settlements on the north coast. One of them in La Chorrera, today in the neighborhoods of Vedado and Miramar, next to the Almendares River. The town that became Havana finally originated adjacent to what was then called Puerto de Carinas. In 1519, the quality of this natural bay, which now hosts Havana's harbor, warranted this change of location. Panfilo de Narváez gave Havana, the sixth town founded by the Spanish on Cuba, its name. San Cristobal de la Habana. The name combines San Cristobal, patron saint of Havana. Shortly after the founding of Cuba's first cities, the island served as little more than a base for the conquistador of other lands. Havana began as a trading port, and suffered regular attacks by buccaneers, pirates, and French corsairs. The first attack and resultant burning of the city was by the French corsair Jacques de Sores in 1555. Such attacks convinced the Spanish crown to fund the construction of the first fortresses in the main cities, not only to counteract the pirates and corsairs, but also to exert more control over commerce with the West Indies, and to limit the extensive contrabando that had arisen due to the trade restrictions imposed by the Casa de Contratación of Seville. Ships from all over the New World carried products first to Havana, in order to be taken by the fleet to Spain. The thousands of ships gathered in the city's bay also fueled Havana's agriculture and manufacture, since they had to be supplied with food, water, and other products needed to traverse the ocean. On December 20, 1592, King Philip II of Spain granted Havana the title of city. Later on, the city would be officially designated as Key to the New World and Rampart of the West Indies by the Spanish crown. In the meantime, Efforts to build or improve the defensive infrastructures of the city continued. Havana expanded greatly in the 17th century. New buildings were constructed from the most abundant materials of the island, mainly wood, combining various Iberian architectural styles, as well as borrowing profusely from Canarian characteristics. In 1649, an epidemic of the often fatal yellow fever brought from Cartagena in Colombia affected a third of the European population of Havana. By the middle of the 18th century, Havana had more than 70,000 inhabitants and was the third largest city in the Americas, ranking behind Lima and Mexico City but ahead of Boston and New York. During the 18th century, Havana was the most important of the Spanish ports because it had facilities whe